So today we will do mensuration, and as we know that mensuration is very important for ICSE or any other board. Let's see. Okay, mensuration. So the first question say, what is the question? Find the exercise 17.3. The first question, find the surface area of a sphere. Find the surface area and the volume of a sphere of radius 14 centimeter given. So what is the radius given?
14.
So please write r is equal to 14 centimeter. All right, 14 centimeter. So what is the formula for surface area? Do you know the formula for surface area? Okay, I'll tell you. See, I am writing the formula first. Surface area of a sphere. Surface area.
You said only
No, only in this chapter. In this chapter, what formula will use, that only I'll tell. Okay. In different portion we use different formula, because this is only related to sphere. Fine. So surface area of the sphere, please write the formula. It is equal to 4 pi r square. All right, 4 pi r square. Till now any doubt you have? This is the formula. And volume, how to find volume? Any idea how to find volume? Yes, try. Okay, I will tell you. Volume of a sphere is equal to, the formula is 4 by 3. Okay, 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the formula to find volume of a sphere. Okay, so as I have told you, the surface area of a sphere 4 pi r square and volume of a sphere is equal to 4 pi 3 pi r cube. Okay, take it. So surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square and volume of a sphere is 4 pi 3 pi r cube. So in the question says that find the surface area, or whatever. Find the, what is the question? Number 1, find the surface area, okay, and surface area of what? Surface area of sphere and volume. All right. So what is the formula for surface area of a sphere? Tell me. Please write here. Surface.
4 pi r square.
Surface area of a sphere. Please calculate it. How much coming? Sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. What is the value for pi? Yes, what is the value for pi? See, 4 into, what is the value for pi? 22 by 7. All right. And what is the value for r?
14.
Great, very good. 14. So 14 into 14. Please calculate it. So 7 2s are 14. Please multiply this one. 2 4s are 8. Okay, multiply this one. 2 4s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 1, how much? 17. This you multiply. The answer is 2464 ki centimeter square or meter square? It is centimeter square. All right. So mensuration. Till now any doubt you have? You can ask me. Next in that question told, what we have to? We have to find what? Volume. Okay. So how to find volume? How to find volume of a sphere?
4 by 3.
Great, 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 very good. So you write here volume of a sphere. So right, volume of a sphere is equal to, what is the formula? 4 by 3 10 pi r cube. Okay, so write 4 by 3. What is the value for pi? 22 by 7. And what is the value for r? 14. We write 3 times. It is 14 into 14 into 14. That means it will become 7 to the 14. All right. Now do the calculation. It will be centimeter what? Cube. Yeah. Okay. Next question will move on.
Not matching.
Are you getting? Centimeter cube. Done these sums. Okay. Now we'll do number 3. Acha, what is the question in number 3? Well, the short foot is a. I am writing in the board. Just a minute. I am doing number 3 of mensuration. Okay. The question says a short foot is a metallic sphere. Please read the question. I'll explain you. A short put is a metallic sphere.
Is a metallic sphere of radius is
4.9.
density of metallic is find the mass of the short.
Yeah. So what is given first? Tell me. Radius is given, na? Acha, I am writing the question. What is the question? Tell me. Find
Mass.
No. Find the mass. Yeah. Find the mass of the shot. Okay. If the radius, you write this statement. If the radius is what given? 4.9 centimeter, 4.9 key centimeter, and if the density, what is the density dear? What is the density of the metal?
7.8.
Great. What is the meaning of density? Mass by volume, na? In physics we have done density is equal to mass by volume. Okay, 7.8 what? Gram per key centimeter cube. Okay, so this is the question. So in the question what is given? Tell me. In the question,
Yes,
great, very good. In the question the radius is given. The radius is 4.9 centimeter. All right. The radius is given what? 4.9 centimeter. Acha, what is the formula for volume? First tell me. Because in the question told that find the mass. Acha, wait, I am explaining you very clearly. See, as we know that density, acha, formula with blue pen.
mass by volume.
Density is equal to mass by volume. All right. Density is equal to what? Mass by volume. Fine. So in this question we have to find mass. So mass is equal to density.
Volume into distance.
Yeah, density into volume. Great, very good. So this type of question will come in the ICSE. Okay, very tricky question. See, although there is no form, this means there is a connection from physics also. All right. So radius given, we have to find what? Mass. So mass is equal to density into volume. Are you getting what I am telling you? Hello? Hello? Sound is coming? Are you hearing to me? Hello?
Your voice not coming.
Wait just a minute. So density is equal to mass by volume. So mass is equal to density into volume, right? Mass is equal to density into volume. This one we can write. Okay, very good. So in the question what told, tell me, find the mass of the shot if the radius 4.9 centimeter and if the density of the metal is, means here radius is given and density is given. So we have to find what? Mass. So first we find volume. So what is the formula for volume? Because as we know that density is equal to volume. So no, volume is equal to volume of a sphere. I am telling volume of a sphere. What is the formula? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, very good. So just put the value and tell me. So it will be 4 by 3. What is the value for pi? 22 by 7. And what is the value for r? 4.9, right? 4.9 cube. All right. So can I write here 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 4.9 into 4.9 into 4.9, because we are finding volume, because we have to find mass. Our mass bar korte gele density into volume hoy from this relation. So let's calculate how much. Yeah, let's calculate it. So this will be omitted. This I write 10. This is also 10. So 7 sevens are 49, right? All right, 7 sevens are ki hoy 49 hoy. Now calculate from the calculator. It is coming 493. How much? 493 centimeter cube. All right. Now volume we have got. Are you getting what I am telling you? We have got the volume. Fine. We have got the what? Volume. So here we have to find what? Mass in the question. So mass is equal to what? Density into volume. All right. Mass is equal to density into what? Volume. So what is the density given here? As we know that density is equal to, we can write mass by volume. Oh, this I have written. Why I am writing this one? Okay. This one तो I have to told this one density is equal to mass by volume. तो एखान दिए mass bar कर. तो mass is equal to क्या है? D into V माने density into volume. So what is the density? In the question it. Okay, great, very good. तो density होच्छे 7.8 and what is the volume? 493. Multiply कर, how much coming? Yeah, I have done. It is coming 3.8 3845.4 gram coming. Please check the answer. In the answer told kg we have to convert. If you want to convert into kg, so it is the very easy. Into 1000 করলে হয়ে যাবে. But check the answer. What is the answer? Next sums, that number 4 will do. I think you can do this question. The question says, I am writing the question in the board. Number 4 I am doing. Please do in the class. The question is, find the diameter of a sphere, okay, whose surface area is given, so what is the surface area? 154 in the question. This is so easy, you will try from yourself. Okay, see, fine, call. We have to find diameter. So first কি করতে হবে? First we have to find radius, and after finding the radius we can find diameter. Okay, will I explain or will do? Fine. So next question, number 6, tell me. Number 6 is also easy. Okay, the question says, just a minute, let me yeah, the question says, wait, are told that a spherical brass ball has inner diameter. So inner diameter is given of a spherical brass, right? So we have to find the cost. You have to find the what? Cost of the tin plating. We have to find the cost of the tin plating in it. If the rate is rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. Have you got the question? What I am telling you? A spherical brass bowel has inner diameter. So what is the inner diameter? I am writing the question. The question not required. I am writing the statement. What is the question? What is the meaning of the question? A spherical, hemispherical. Okay. So in this question, the inner diameter is given. Are you getting? Inner ki bolto diameter. What is the inner diameter, dear? হচ্ছে okay 10.5 centimeter given. All right, all I am telling, all, just listen here. কিছু না, that বলেছে inner তো inner spherical তো. So what is the formula for a surface area of a sphere? Now here inner diameter is 10.5. so first I will find radius. So what is the radius, dear? Radius is 10.5 centimeter by 2, that means 5.25 centimeter. It is a radius. All right, now what is the formula for inner curved surface area? I have told you now, na? Inner curved, okay, inner curved surface area. So inner curved surface area means 2 pi r square. All right, so we just put the value. So 2, what is the value for pi? 22 by 7. And what is the radius? Yes, 5.25. Great. So write 5.25. Yeah, if you do the calculation, so it is coming how much, you know? What is the value for pi? What is the value for r? Tell me. Yeah, I am telling, just it's a surprise. So 5.25 into 5.25, that means if you do the calculation, I have done into the calculator, it is coming how much, you know? 173.09. all right, centimeter square. Now what is the second part of the question, dear? The second part of the question says that find the cost of the tin bar korte hobe, right? কি বার করতে হবে? find the cost of the tin বার করতে হবে. all right, Are you getting what I'm telling you? Hello? Hello? Okay, alright, the response, the rate, right, rate of teen, এটা তো আরো ইজি, rate of teen just equal to rate of teen, তাই না? তো what is the rate of teen বলতো? 16 per 100 centimeter square. হ্যাঁ, 16 per means that means 16 by 100 into 173.09. Okay, so this is the final answer. The final answer is rupees 27.70. All right, done. Next number, are you getting what I'm telling you? Okay, okay, fine, fine. Next we'll do number 7. 7. This question is very tricky, dear, number 7, and very important for the exam also. Please read the question. The radius of a spherical balloon, na? Wait, just a minute. Yeah, number 7. Yeah, tell me. I am listening. The next question will do number 7 as I have told you. Just a minute, let me write the question. বলেছে the radius of a spherical balloon increases. আচ্ছা, the radius of a spherical balloon, right? Spherical balloon increases. I am writing the question. Increases, right? Wait. Increases from what? From 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter. Acha, one spherical balloon is there. Okay, this spherical balloon হচ্ছে first radius ছিল 7 centimeter. Are you getting? Then the radius is now 14 centimeter. How much? Till now you getting? একটা মনে কর বেলুন ছিল, ঠিক আছে, ওকে আমি হাওয়া দিলাম, তো ছিল 7, এবার হ্যাঁ আফটার লিখে তাহলে আফটার air is given. All right, so we have to find the কি বার করতে হবে ratio. What we to find the ratio. What we have to find the, are you getting what? Yeah, so the radius of a spherical balloon increases, it is 7 centimeter chilo, so it increases to 14 centimeter after air is given. So we have to find the ratio of surface area of the balloon. মানে this question have two sub part. First, great. So first and second sub part. I hope you can do the question. So what I write here, just I am showing the concept. Surface, yeah, I am writing for surface area of the first balloon. So what is the surface area of the first balloon? Tell me. It will be 4 pi r square. এটা আমি এটা আমি ভ্যালু বসাবো. After putting the value, we take S2, surface area 2. Here also 4 pi r. Okay, fine, very good. So after that we can write S1 is to S2, then answer will come out. Fine. Okay. So what is the number 8 question? The question is acha, the question says a sphere and a cube have the same surface. Okay, I'm writing the question. A sphere and what? Exact. Well, just say a sphere and a cube have the same surface. I'm writing this statement. So sphere and cube, they both have what? Same surface. Are you getting? A sphere and a cube, they have what? Both same surface. Acha, ठीक. So we have to show the ratio of the volume of the sphere to that cube. What we have to show? Show ratio of the volume of the what? Volume of the spheres, of the sphere. I am writing a question of the spheres to that cube. How much ratio বলতো? ratio কত দিয়েছে? √6 is to root কি? pi. Like first of all, the question is clear to you. Told that a sphere and a cube, same surface. Okay, same surface. We have to show the ratio of the volume of the sphere to cube. To cube. So what is the ratio, dear? √6 is to root pi. Okay. So in this question, what we'll do first? Tell me. Miss, have you got the concept of the question? What the question says? What the question says? Sure. The question says that once. I'm just highlighting the question so that you can clear. The question says that a sphere is there. Okay, a sphere and a cube. Which have the same surface. Okay, so sphere and cube both have same surface. So we have to show মানে কি প্রমাণ করতে হবে, proof করতে হবে. Okay, show. Hello, yeah, so we have to show the volume wait, so we have to show the volume of the sphere to the cube, and the ratio is given √6 is to root pi. Are you getting the meaning of the question? So here we have to do, right, let the edge be what? Edge is given. Edge মানে side হয়, তো লেখো let the edge. All right, so in this question what we'll do, let the edge be, edge মানে হচ্ছে side. তো let আমি a করে দেবো, বলে surface same. তাহলে what is the formula for surface area of a okay, great, very good. What is the surface area for a cube? Till now, are you getting? Any doubt you have? Again I am telling, a sphere and a cube are the same surface. So we have to show the ratio of the volume of the sphere and the cube. The ratio is given √6 is to root pi. So আমি এখানে কি করলাম, let the edge be a হলো, তো surface area of the sphere কি হবে 4πr², cube is 6a². তো both are equal মানে কি, cube is equal to sphere, so 6a² is equal to 4πr². From here we are finding what, r বার করলাম, r is equal to কি হবে √3a² by 2 pi. Okay, that means √3 by 2 pi a. Till now you are getting? Now what is the volume of a sphere, dear? Second part we are getting. So radius तो we have got, radius we have got, but just we put the value. What is the formula? Just a minute. What is the formula of volume, boy? Volume is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. All right. So we write here 4/3 pi. What is the value for r cube? Ball to dekhi, how much coming? what is the value for r? The value is root 3 by pi a. This is the value na, or এটা কি cube. So solve it. How much coming? Okay, are you getting the concept? You can doubt, you can ask me. Okay, volume of a sphere means 4 by 3 pi r cube written, or volume of a cube হচ্ছে a cube. So just solve by here this one. Okay, solve for how much coming? 1. Are you getting the concept what I am telling you? Ekdom very good. So this root 3 a cube and a cube I have cut it, and 2 3 is 6, means we have to prove this one. We have to prove, see in the question, this one root 6 is to root 5. So 2 into root 3, so root 6. All right, root 6. Are you getting till now? Doubt থাকলে দেখ, it's a simplicity. Are you getting any doubt you have? দেখ root 6, we can write root 6, root 3 into root 3 pi, root 2 into root 3 into by root 2 into, that means it is what, root pi. Okay, so root pi, root 2 and root 2 cancel, so the answer came. এখনো হয়নি তো, not now, let me complete this exercise.